Hi everybody, the market clocked the biggest single day gain on Friday. You have already noticed a big fiscal push of approximately 1.45 lakh crore really raised the hopes of strong earning and growth among companies, and all these things together boost up of the real boost up for the sentiments, market sentiment, as you already know. What Finance Ministry, Honorable Finance Minister did is a splendid thing, from market perspective. Number one, cutting corporate tax rate to 25% from 35%. Those are giving 35% tax. Now it will be 25% tax for them. And the next thing is 15% tax for new companies, which will be set up after October 1st of October. That means cutting corporate tax means more money, more liquidity, and more scope for them to make investment, to make also is their liquidity concerns. New companies will be more enthusiastic because for setting up businesses and creating job opportunities. Overall market sentiment, overall economic sentiment will be boosting up. And definitely there is no sense of argument. There is a big stimulus package by the central government. In my sense, RBI will again cut repo rate by another 50 BPS in the coming policy meeting. Before March 2020, you can see approximately 50 BPS cutting again, and then it will be a big booster for the market. The profits made by the companies now, of course, it will be utilized to start a new capex cycle, and it will be a beneficiary for the companies. The companies will be very much benefited. Those are having a big amount of corporate tax. Already FII, they have given a very big boost of movements, very big. They are very much enthusiastic about these things. In total case, market sentiment will be very much up. But paradoxically, broader market sentiment, that means the broader market which is already in a cyclical downtrend, they will be not much benefited, as I think. The liquidity issues will be there. Those are not giving 35% taxes. Those small companies, those medium-sized companies, which are giving approximately 25 to 26, 27% taxes. There is a very much marginal effects on these companies. Overall market sentiment, which already been in a negative move, in negative sense, there was in a bearish phase. Market was that time. Overall, this stimulus package will boost up this sentiment for a while, and movement, market movement will be technical. As a technical guy, I always prefer all these things should be in a technical mood, and this movement, it will make market approximately 11,700. 11,700 is a very crucial juncture, as you already know. The 11,700 will be maybe there for in a very, very short future. Now, what a dramatic week that was for us. From Monday to Thursday, it was good for bears. It was good for traders also. And I have already mentioned that below 200 DMA, the market is already there. And whenever it is going up, every bears will sell the market, and every up movements will be sold, and a huge profit, huge gains will be already been there. I am just for the Friday market, Friday movement, I have given no call that time. Approximately no call that time. All my clients are asking, why are you not giving us such a big movement is there already, and you are not giving any call? I am reminding I can remember Warren Buffett once said that rule number one, please don't lose money in the market, and rule number two, don't forget rule number one. That is, when you are in doubt, when something is going which are beyond your expectations, and something news-driven market, news-driven movements are being there, then stay away from market for that period of time. Only to stay away. For Friday, I have given no call for Bank Nifty, no call for Nifty, no call even for stocks. Now on Monday, one thing I must mention, when Nifty broke now 10966, you have seen a huge movement, a huge downfall was there, and to my support level approximately at 10740 and then 10620 within 2 days, and the traders absolutely have a very much huge movement for the short traders who are giving the given the short call that time. Huge profit was there from Monday to Friday. It was quite a very open bears are very much in action, and a very good movement was there. At that point when announcement came, for obvious reason, it was above 200 DMA. Now it is approximately the market is in 11,274. Our 200 DMA stands now at 11,229. Closing above 11,229 is quite good. I have no objection about that. Carrying the gains is another important thing, and I think in this case the gain will be carried because the sentiment is quite up now. But I have also some observation. Technically speaking, 11,416 is a level. If it crosses 11,416, then the new movement, new upsides will be there. Expiry week. This one is expiry week, you know. There will be more drama. Normally at expiry week you can expect more drama. And 11,114 in the downside. 11,114 where 50 DMA is situated. 11,416 in the upside. At the two levels you must watch out. If it 11,416 is crossed, then again a huge movement will come, and it will be 11,700 my target in a near future. But it 11,114 is breached, then some negative sentiments will be also there. But I don't think there is so much negative sentiment now in market for this week. Obviously for this week there is no negative sentiment. For Bank Nifty, it is a crucial juncture. If 29485, it is a real hurdle for the Bank Nifty. Is 29485, if it crosses, then 30,500 up to 30,500 over 1,000 point is very much for the Bank Nifty. Weekly range should be 28424 to 29485. Nice trading week, nice trading zone should be there for Bank Nifty. Go for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is now Bank Nifty is quite okay. I was skeptical about Bank Nifty, you know, last week or so, but now Bank Nifty is quite okay for me. For individual stocks, I will go for buy Larsen and Toubro LT with a stop of 1387. And target will be 1458 1458 for L&T Larsen Toubro. Buy ICICI Bank with a stop below 410. Target will be 430 this week. Have a good trading week. A dramatic week was last Friday, a dramatic day that was. I don't think so much movement this week. Some consolidation phase will be there. I've given the levels. Just remind the levels. If you have some optimism about my calls, about the levels which I am giving, please go for my paid service. My cell number or WhatsApp number is flashing on the screen. You will go for that. And I think a great trading week ahead also this time. Great expiry week this time. Thank you all.